In this video,
we will learn how to play mechanic in GTA 5 Online. In Grand Theft Auto 5, in order to play mechanic or call him, all you need to do is after coming into your GTA Online lobby, open up your mobile phone by clicking on the up arrow. Now go to the contact section. Now head to the bottom side of the contact section until you see the mechanic name pop up. After it pops up, you just have to click on enter to call mechanic. Now, by calling mechanic, you can call your private vehicle to any of the location that you are currently standing on. So I can call any of my vehicles that I want in here. So after the call completes, your mechanic will deliver your personal vehicle to you, which is right behind me. So this is how you can easily play or call the mechanic in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.